battens used for window reveals must be a minimum size of 38 by 100mm and have the front and side faces covered with a waterproof strip. The Cedral Click external corner must be cut to size, levelled and placed into position before fixing at the top and bottom on both sides. The connection profile must be cut to size and fixed into the rear of the window reveal abutting the window frame. To finish the reveal, a Cedral plank is cut to size and fitted vertically with the cut edge being slotted into the connection profile. Push flat to the reveal and fix into place with a colour-coded Cedral screw.